Okay, if out of our prior video you had decided to do textures like we did here, and you created a cube and you had little numbers on the different cube that you created and put together in MS Paint or some other graphics program. If you were to take the blend file and give it to somebody else and they opened it up, they wouldn't be able to see the different images that you put on your objects, because the blend file by default does not include those images. So not only would you have to send them the blend file, you'd have to send them the images and tell them where to put the images on the disk drive so that the blend file could find the images, because it assumes that those images are in the same place that they are on the other machine as they are on your computer. At any rate, it gets really complicated, and it doesn't really actually allow you to take your blend file and move it to somebody else if you're using external images like this. So an easy solution to this is to be able to do packing. If you go into the File menu after you have something like this, if you go to the File menu and then do External Data and automatically pack into Blend, or you can just pack all into Blend and it'll be a one-time thing. I'm just going to go ahead and select Automatically Pack into Blend. It has packed one file down here, just sort of off the screen a little bit. But it's basically taken that file and it's included it in the blend file. So now when I do File Save and save my cube.blend, I can give this file to somebody else and they will open it up and they will see the image. So don't forget, particularly for turning in homework, in order to allow me to see those extra images, File, External Data, automatically pack into Blend. If you're going to use external data files, please go ahead and check that so that when you turn it in, I can see it.